The strongest natural remedy, repairs memory, burns fat and improves eyesight and hearing. One of the most powerful natural remedy will not only repair your memory for incredible 80%, but will also in fact succeed in burning fat with which you fought against for many years. The key ingredient is horseradish, which is rich in vitamin C, potassium, vitamins B1, B2 and B6, as well as iron, magnesium and phosphorus, explains the Natural Healing magazine. Horseradish accelerates the metabolism, reduces fatigue and stimulates the development of good bacteria in the stomach. From the ingredients you will need: 125 grams of horseradish, 4 lemons, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon and a piece of ginger, about 2 centimeters. Horseradish and ginger in a blender. Squeeze the juice from the lemons, add it to the blender and mix everything well, and then add the cinnamon and honey. Place the well-mixed mixture in a glass container. Take 1 tablespoon of the mixture twice a day before meals, and if you exercise, consume it before training. Practice this 3 weeks and you will not regret when you see the great results.